Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in to today's tutorial. Okay, this is how I cornrow the hair for this tutorial. I just sectioned out some parts in front around the parameters of our head, which I'm going to be box braiding, and then I cornrow the middle part of our head, which I'm also going to be crocheting. After cornrolling, you just want to hide the tips of the last cornrow with needle and thread. Okay, this is the hair I'm using for today's tutorial. It's called Multi from Xpression company. I'm going to be using only 4 packs of this hair or this product for today's tutorial, and I'm using 2 different colors, color 27 and color 33. Okay, this hair or this product is a synthetic hair, but a synthetic hair with difference. The fiber used in making this hair was actually produced by Toyocolum, and the texture of this hair is totally different from every other. Synthetic hair is so fluffy and nice. The hair is so affordable and it costs about 700 to 1000 naira. I'm going to leave the exchange rate, the dollar exchange rate on the screen. In a pack you get about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 of these in just one pack. So you can use about 3 packs for this particular hairstyle, but for today I'm just going to be using 4 packs. Can you guys just see the bouncy nature of this hair? I so much love it. Even after stretching it, it just bounced back to the normal shape and size. Okay, for this style we do not want it to be too long, so I'm just using the scissors to just cut it into 2. After dividing it into 2 to prep the hair before box braiding, I'm just unraveling it first. So I'm just unraveling it first so I can be able to cornrow the front part or box braid the front part with it. This is how to prep the extension for box braid. It's self-explanatory. Now I'm just loosening the front part where I initially sectioned out to box braid. So I'm loosening it out so that I can start box braiding the hair. Okay, now I'm just sectioning out the part I want to box braid, and I'm using a tail comb to do so. For box braiding, I'm crisscrossing the 3 section hair and also attaching the extension as I am crisscrossing the hair. This box braid is just the usual way they do box braid. It's the normal way. So yeah, just watch. And if you are interested in seeing like a very detailed tutorial, I always say this, I promise I'm going to film a detailed tutorial on how to box braid. Then braid the hair just halfway and then take the little portion out of the portion of the hair I actually box braided to just tie the knots, or tie a knot twice or 3 times to secure it. This type of box braid in Nigeria is actually called pick and drop. What do you guys call it in your country? Okay, we'll just allow you to see for yourself 3 more times before I move up to the next step, and then so that you guys will be able to understand it. like after box braiding around the client's hair. This is what it should look like, because I told you guys initially that the middle part I'm just going to be crocheting it all the way. So I basically just box braid round the parameters of her hair. This method, like I said before, is called pick and drop in Nigeria, and this is going to make the hair look like I actually braided all the hair. Okay, now that I'm done doing the box braid round the parameters of her head, we just go ahead to start crocheting the middle part of her head. When crocheting the very back side of our head or the client's head, it's very important that you space it, because it tends to get very full quickly. For crochet, you just insert the crochet pin and then hook the hair onto the pin and then close it and pull it out through the braid. To form a loop, pass the tip of the hair through the loop to tie the knot. Anytime you insert the crochet pin through the cornrow, always make sure that the pin is open, and after hooking the extension to the crochet pin, you just close the pin and then pass it through the cornrow. We'll allow you guys to see for yourself 3 to 4 more times probably. Then yeah. Look, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Hope it's helpful, hope you enjoy, hope you're able to learn something from this video. Do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, share to friends and family, and subscribe if you haven't, if you are new here. We'll talk to you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.